It is my honor to present Kyrie Irving of the Cleveland Cavaliers with the 2011 and the 2012 Kia NBA Rookie of the Year Award. Congratulations, Kyrie. Congratulations. Good job.
From stressing you out, why don't you go? You're wasting your time with your lies, You've been breaking me down, now it's enough. I should do it again and again, I hope that you'll be gone soon, I can't take no more.
Where the shotgun